As I'm still talking, if you are a woman, a girl, young lady, you have not married, have patience. Don't give yourself to a man you don't know. Don't go and meet any man you have seen online in his house. It's wrong to trust people this way. If you're a young lady, you are still growing. Hear me, I cannot mislead you. But that guy, that man can do this. Don't trust somebody and give yourself completely, dash yourself to a man. It's unfair. This thing has been. It's just for you to know this. You don't trust people that way. Love Ada is telling you this. We have seen things. A lot of people, a lot of young girls have buy. They buy outside marriage. They even buy in the marriage. There are still people, a lot of young girls that are born together. They are born, they are married with their husband. This kind of thing happened to them. And when it happened, we don't blame them. But what of the people that when they are not yet married, they are doing the same thing? If you have ears, hear what I'm saying. I didn't say you shouldn't fall in love with a man. I didn't say you did not visit the person. Visit that person in an open place. Sometimes when you even want to visit, during our time, you don't visit a man with only you. Tell your brother, tell your uncle, tell your mommy, tell your daddy. Let people know about this. Don't you not hide it until there is problem before you open up, so that it will not look shameful. All right? Let this man first visit you. Know the house. Tell your family, this is where I'm coming from. This is who am I. Your family will confirm. This is what we have been saying. I will continue saying it. Okay? See you. Today, I want to talk to women. Gather here. Gather here. If you're a woman, you are with a man who has not paid your bride price. That is why I want you here. Day! Onye na-eri ihe mmadụ mana ọ bụrụ nke ya, onye ori ka ọ bụ. Onye bụrụ onwe ya bụ onye akwụrụ ụgwọ n'isi ya, onye ka ọ bụ, onye nzuzu ka ọ bụ. Onye bụrụ onwe ya jekwuru nwaanyị abụrụ ọnụrụ anụ wee daa mmiri ọdakpo, onye ka ọ bụ, onye ori ka ọ bụ. Yes, I'm talking. Why will you be afraid of a man who no pay bride price? The man no pay bride price. The man don't give you belly. You born 3. He no pay bride price. He no do anything. Now you see somebody we won't marry you. You can't take permission from somebody we be say he no pay bride price. Hey, woman, una shame they shame me. Una shame day. You can't ask me wait till you go do, madam. Wait till you go do. Go marry person we won't pay bride price on your head. If una get anything, una go tell her, make una tell her.